我係吳啟忠，我係2013年喺 School of Creative Media 嘅文學士度畢業。我呢個行業入面，我係一個動畫導演啦，咁我就要時常同唔同嘅人合作啦，所以我會似係一個指導嘅一個角色啦，去帶住好多人去同一個方向去做咁樣啦。咁但係我自己都會做 production 嘅，我自己都係一個動畫師嚟嘅。
I'm Harsh Agrawal, and I'm currently working as a character shading technical director at Pixar Animation Studios. And I recently graduated as BSc in Creative Media. I'm basically deciding how a character should look like, what are the materials of the character. It needs to have some sort of physically based system. So if I'm making a character which is made up of plastic, I need to make sure that the plastic looks realistic and believable to the audience when they view the movie.
我係何家豪，2009年 SCM 畢業，我係讀 animation。咁我而家主要係做一啲影視嘅後期製作啦。其實我哋涉足嘅都好多啊。廣告我哋會做啦，咁有一啲演唱會嘅 visual 我哋會做啦，同埋我哋主力係做大陸嘅綜藝節目嘅後期，或者任何有關 animation 嘅 production 我哋都會做。SCM 嘅畢業生嗰個唔同之處係佢哋比較有趣啲嘅諗法啊，或者佢哋個人嘅本身比較有趣啲。
我覺得 SCM 好處嘅地方就係佢除咗喺你嘅基本功上面打咗個好好嘅根底之外，佢亦都提供咗好多動畫以外範疇嘅一啲學習機會啦，例如去寫劇本啊、攝影嘅技巧啦，去到音樂。你點樣去做一啲 mixing 嘅嘢，佢都有教嘅。咁所以喺我哋出到嚟做嘢嘅就係應用得好好嘅。
BSc actually helped me quite a bit because Creative Media provided me with a lot of resources. They have some of the latest computer and hardware system which I can use to do my own projects.
最令我有得着嘅係啲老師，因為佢哋嘅經驗係好幫到我。即係不論喺一個 creative 上邊或者喺個 industry 上邊都係有好多啟發。即係因為我本身係一個色弱嘅人嚟嘅，咁我做出嚟嘅嘢嘅顏色其實好古怪，可能係錯嘅。余家豪咁樣，佢曾經同我講過，即係話你用出嚟顏色奇怪，咁呢個咪就係你嘅 style 咯。即係呢一種嘅啟發係可以幫到你。
Recently, there has been a lot of new technology available commercially, like virtual reality, augmented reality, and a lot of people are experimenting with real-time rendering using these systems to create a lot of unique experimental animation, and I think that's where it's gearing towards.
有好多廣告都樂意去取用動畫呢一樣嘢去做一個宣傳嘅手法啦，亦都多咗電影動畫嘅製作啦，咁所以我會覺得香港動畫行業係會越嚟越蓬勃。